welcome back to Serenity Crafts by Maria. Today I'm doing a video towards the collaboration for Van Gogh. It's a collaboration organised by Loula at Nerd Goblin Art, and today is Van Gogh's birthday, so Loula set up a collaboration for us all to take part in, and I decided to do the sunflower painting. I printed off a picture so I can remember. I remember doing a project on this at school and I absolutely loved it. So I thought that's the one that I'm going to do. But I'm going to do my version of it. It's not going to be like a replica in the slightest. And I have painted a canvas board. I've just got to do the dark line here. And I have painted a 3D print that I did. It's a flat back vase. And I'm going to stick it on there. Obviously painted it up as well with the same colours as the background, just like he did here. He used the top of the vase to match the bottom and the bottom of the vase to match the top. So that's what I've done. And it's going to just be my take on it. And I think I'm going to have lots of fun doing it. So I am going to make the sunflowers out of resin. So it's going to be a bit of a mixed media. So sunflowers out of resin. This was 3D printed, canvas board, acrylic paints, and I think we could have some fun. So I'm going to get mixing the resin and I will bring you back when it's ready to pour. I'm only going to mix up the brown to start off with. And I think I'm going to let that set before I do the yellow or orange, the two that I'm going to do. So yeah, where he's got his name there, Vincent, I think I'm going to put Maria. So it'll be my take on his painting. I loved this painting as a kid. Brought back memories. And actually sunflowers are one of my favourite flowers now as an adult. So I'll bring you back when it's ready to pour. I'll see you soon. Hi guys, well I made up 60 mils of resin, so it's only for the centres. I used the Essential colours, they're pearlescent pigments, and one's coffee and the other one's chocolate, and I've mixed them together to give this beautiful shiny shimmery colour. And I'm just going to pour this into the centres.
Serenity Crafts by Maria, swirling colors, ain't nothing iller, lost in the pour, find my euphoria. Serenity Crafts by Maria, YouTube channel, come and with me. Crafting is my therapy. Resin art got me feeling brand new. No longer singing the blues. Yeah, you know how we do. Let me tell you, crafting is therapy. Serenity Crafts by Maria, swirling colors.
Right, that's all I'm going to do for now, and I'm going to get these on my cure machine, and I'll probably make up quite a few more of these off camera, because obviously I'm going to need quite a few more, and I will bring you back when it's ready to demold everything. So I'll see you soon. Hi, welcome back. Well, these are all set. I actually put them in my cure machine, but I didn't go back to them till today, so which is the next day. So I didn't need to put them in my cure machine. But this lot I will, and because I'm going to do another lot. I won't bring you back for that though. I have made up 60 mils, which isn't a great deal, but I should imagine it's enough to do what I want to do. And I used the T-Expert pigment paste in yellow, and I used the Essential pearlescent pigment in fine yellow. And I want to put a little bit of orange in the next one. Just give that a stir. I did do mould these ones, which are here, that I did in brown last time. So I think that will be it for now. And with the leftover brown, I mean, these aren't going to go into the piece, but I did an into resin flower and an into resin, which is one of my favourite moulds, and an into resin water ripple butterfly. It's cute. And I think I'm just gonna use them as drip molds, because I'm going to be doing this quite most of the day, I think, making these sunflowers, because I'm going to need, there's 15 in this painting. Van Gogh actually did a series of sunflower paintings, and this is the painting that I'm actually doing with the yellow background and 15 sunflowers was the 4th version. It was number 4 in his series. He did them with 3, 5, 12 and 15, and he did quite a few of, like, he did some replicas as well of the ones that he'd already painted. But I believe this one that I'm doing was painted in 1888, and he actually painted the sunflower series for his friend to decorate his home, because his friend loved sunflowers. So that is the story behind this painting, guys. And on that note, I am going to love you and leave you, and I am going to bring you back when they are all ready and demolded and I've made up more. So I will see you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, as you saw in the fast forwarded bit, I literally did the next lot I did in aquacast, and I thought it'd give a bit of depth to the picture, being different colours as well. And I actually like the aquacast ones as well as the resin, and I thought also that I said it was going to be mixed media, so why not do aquacast as well? So that was the thought behind that, plus it's quicker. And I have had a rough week, so all that's left to do now is to stick them on. What I did with the aquacast ones, after I got them out, I let them sit for 24 hours, and now I have just coloured in the centres just with my Artex pens. It's actually this one, I think. So that was that, and now I'm just going to see where I need them stuck on. I mean, this is stuck on now, which is great. I've got to write my name on there somewhere, but I don't quite know with what, because my Artex black pen has run out, and the only other black ones I've got were from Temu, and they're more of a different, they're not black. They're meant to be, but they're not. Angel says they've got like a blue hue to them, like a tint. So I don't want that, because I want it to be black if I can. Let's see if my Posca pen works. Oh, this is going to be really rubbish if I get it wrong. Right, he put Vincent just above the black line. So, do I do the same, or... no, I'm not going to do the same. This is like inspired by Vincent. I don't want to copy it. Not like I'd be able to anyway. Who am I kidding? There, that'll do. Right, let's have a look. Now I don't want that there. Look, which ones do I want? There's got to be 15, so let's choose the best ones, I think. 2, 3, 4, 5. I do want some smaller ones. So 6, 7, 8, yeah, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Right, so that's 15. Now I've got to kind of stick them on where I want them. I'm not going to have them dangling down like he did. Yeah, do I? I want to know where I'm going to put them, and then I'm going to just draw on some stems. He's got some going out of the picture, but I'm not going to do that. I don't want all the little ones on that side. I want them up higher, I think. I want them all coming out of the vase. Like, he's got them a lot of drooping. A lot of them are dying. I don't want to do that. I want to do them so they're up and they're alive and at their brightest, I suppose. Might actually have one on the vase. So there's still 15 there. Well, I think it's going to be something like that. I don't want to do the stems with Artex pens whilst the flowers are still on there, because if an Artex pen hits the aquacast, it's just going to like suck into the aquacast and I'll never get it out. So I am going to draw with a pencil when I can find one. Here's one where I want the stems, and then I will draw them on, move the flowers, draw them on.
Pour the colors, watch them flow. Dreams in resin start to grow. Shimmering skies in a tiny mold. Hands
Right, I'm just gonna glue them all into place now. I'm kind of happy with how they are. So I'm just going to use some E6000 and glue them into place. Right, that's one. The only thing I've struggled with this, apart from not being an artist, is 15. 15 sunflowers. I really don't like odd numbers. So it's been a bit tricky for me this time. But as it's Van Gogh's birthday, I'll let him off. I was tempted to do 15 here and one there, so there's actually 16 sunflowers, but he never did a 16 sunflower painting, so I'm going to stick to what he did, even though it's killing me. Yeah, so if you didn't know that about me before, I really don't like odd numbers. In fact, it's even in the car, like I won't listen to anything on an odd number volume. It has to be even. So the temperature has to be even. Well, I can't have it on 17 or 19. It has to be 18 or 20. Right, but for somebody who's not an artist, I mean, I do like to sketch or paint or whatever, but I haven't done it for years. I used to be quite good at it. But for somebody who isn't an artist, I don't think that's too bad. And I really enjoyed it, actually. It's taken me a while, though. It's like with everything going on, it's taken me quite a while to get it finished. There. Well, guys, I finally finished my Van Gogh inspired painting and resin and aquacast. So I hope you enjoyed. Please check out the playlist. It's in my description box below. You will see some incredible artists making some amazing things, so check that out. I cannot wait to sit down and watch them one by one. Can't wait to see what you've all made. Thank you to Loula at Nerd Goblin Art for letting me be part of this collaboration. I've really enjoyed it. Van Gogh was a bit of an inspiration for me when I was a kid, and I don't know why, but out of all the artists, I fell in love with this painting, and that was as a young kid. So I must have been about six or seven when I fell in love with this painting. So that is my Van Gogh inspired artwork. Thanks for joining me, guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye.